Hello guys, a little bit of a different video today. This is not any speculated roller coaster really rumor, but this is just regarding to Six Flags Magic Mountain's rumored Giga coaster. So technically, we're not gonna do any like predictions or anything on this video. This is just like what manufacturer would most likely build Magic Mountain's Giga. So that's what we're gonna be figuring it out. What we will think the manufacturer will be building the Giga coaster for Magic Mountain. Now, technically, there is a what do you call this? A teaser, and I'll show you that teaser in just a bit here. But remember, Giga coasters are notoriously expensive, so this project may be delayed till 2025. But then I'm gonna show you this teaser right now. So this is what Six Flags Magic Mountain had a teaser about since last month. I think that was June or July. I think this was early June when this teaser came up. But they said that Goliath is cool, but how about a Giga? So this is regarding to a teaser, but doesn't seem like it's gonna happen next year. This could be just so that the people could be hyped about it, but I feel like most likely it's gonna happen in 2025. Yeah, so coasters like the Fast and Furious coaster that is happening in 2025, but the dive coaster going to Dorney, there's no construction happening for the dive coaster. So they said it was gonna open for 2024, but until then we didn't see anything. So here's the teaser for Magic Mountain. So what do you guys think about this teaser? Did this really caught you off guard? So yeah. Anyway, moving on. So without further ado, we're gonna figure out and see which most likely we think will be the manufacturer for Magic Mountain's Giga Coaster. So there are quite a few options that they can use as a Giga Coaster. For instance, they can use an Intamin, but we're not gonna focus on Intamin in today's video. There's also a B&M, which is in this video footage that I'm trying to borrow from Coaster Force, and then there's an RMC T-Rex that's been rumored for a while, but you know, we're gonna talk about the RMC T-Rex Giga. So the RMC T-Rex Giga has been rumored for a long time, and RMC teased that they're gonna start building RMC T-Rex Gigas in some theme parks. Well, guess what? We don't see any RMC T-Rex planned for any parks for 2024. But until then, these coasters look brand new, and there's nothing like it in the world. And so wherever they're gonna do its first of its kind, you know, Magic Mountain loves to break records and does rise that it's their first kind. So are they really gonna do a third RMC coaster for Six Flags Magic Mountain? Because the T-Rex Giga is sure gonna be a possibility. But when you take a look at the two RMCs at Magic Mountain, Flight of Courage and Twisted Colossus, you're gonna realize that a T-Rex is missing. But are they gonna really try to do B&M? Well, the T-Rex models are new, and basically this is a single rail track, so this is gonna be a little too similar with the two coasters, Twisted Colossus and Flight of Courage. But this one has more thick single rail track than the Raptors do. The Raptors are more thin, and it's just a single rider coaster, meaning you're doing only one row per train, and this one is two across seating. So this is also going to be too similar with Twisted Colossus. But for the inversions and the type of ride it is, it's probably going to be a little different experience. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit like a hybrid, but we won't really know because we haven't really ridden like a T-Rex yet, and it's not out yet, and I didn't hear from any other people. But like a T-Rex for Magic Mountain would actually be cool, but I just kind of think that they wouldn't want to go with a third like RMC. Normally parks wouldn't want to do like, you know, three companies in one park, but they could if they want to. I just kind of feel like, you know, a T-Rex probably won't really happen just yet. But these are like futuristic roller coasters. But if they really want to go with the T-Rex Giga, I think that, you know, this will be, you know, too similar to those two coasters. But technically, this T-Rex, I wonder how it's gonna look in person. We already know how the Raptor looks like and the hybrid coasters, but we haven't yet seen a T-Rex at a theme park yet. So I don't know, because I feel like this is too similar to Twisted Colossus and Flight of Courage. So would they want to get a coaster with a similar experience? I mean, technically, I feel like we're gonna go move on to the B&M Giga. So here's why I think that a B&M Giga coaster will be the manufacturer for Six Flags Magic Mountain's Giga is because there's not a lot of B&M Gigas in the United States, and so if they're gonna add another B&M Giga, then technically there's more variety for coasters by B&M. But this is also why I think a B&M Giga is most likely going to be the manufacturer. Well, technically, because Six Flags likes working with B&M and RMC, but I think they still have a good relation with B&M. So, plus, you know, I don't think Magic Mountain will do RMC again, just because they already have two coasters by RMC. But yeah, normally theme parks wouldn't really want to get a coaster with the same manufacturer, but technically, a B&M Giga is most likely going to happen. So basically, this will be their fifth B&M coaster at Magic Mountain. So they're gonna be breaking a record for having the most B&M track at a theme park. So, and yeah, so basically, that's why I think it's a B&M. Also, another reason why it may be a B&M Giga is because B&Ms are notoriously smooth. Although the T-Rex is also smooth, I was wrong earlier. We don't even see a T-Rex being built yet. So most likely, what I think the manufacturer will be is a B&M. And here's why I don't think it is an Intamin coaster. Intamin coasters are notoriously more expensive than B&Ms are. Intamins are more expensive because they use a cable lift. A B&M Giga is a little bit cheaper because they don't use a cable lift. So basically, a B&M is most likely going to be the manufacturer here. And it's rumored that it's going to be possibly themed to the Joker, with purple track and green supports, the same green as Tatsu. Anyway, this is probably going to be the leftover track pieces from Knots, correct me if I'm wrong, but this could also be new track that they will buy by B&M. So let me know in the comments below. Personally, I would love to see a B&M Giga at Magic Mountain more than an RMC T-Rex Giga. But, you know, I also want to see that one. But for the most part, I just think that most likely it's going to be by Bolliger and Mabillard. Because, you know, they need more coasters like this. There's only 3 in North America. There's one in Canada's Wonderland. There's one in Kings Island. And then one here in this video, Fury 325. So there's only like 3 B&M Giga coasters. And so they need like more. So technically, they're gonna end up being a B&M Giga coaster for Six Flags Magic Mountain. But it seems like it's going to be built in 2025, the following year, because it seems like that new hot maze is gonna be there temporarily, and that area probably will be for the Giga Coaster Station. I think they're just using temporarily because right now they don't have money to build it yet, but in 2025 for sure they will do. So if we're not getting anything new next year, then perhaps they're still saving money for the coaster. and there's no like flat rides being built next year. So they might be saving up for the Giga next year, possibly 2025. I mean, so yeah, it's exciting. So anyway, I'll sign off here. Peace out.